Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to subscribe Zenler funnel from TidyCal booking. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new booking from TidyCal, then automatically by using those booking detail and the client detail, I'm going to subscribe to a new funnel in Zenler. So for my objective, I have to build a connection between TidyCal and Zenler. So for building a connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, I need to use the concept of trigger and action. In trigger application, I'm going to use TidyCal. In action application, I'm going to use Zenler. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen. And today we are diving into an amazing integration that can streamline your business operation like never before. If you are using TidyCal for booking your appointments and Zenler for managing your funnels, then you will love this tutorial. Imagine this. Every time a client books an appointment through TidyCal, then they are automatically subscribed to your funnel in Zenler. This seamless integration can save you tons of time and ensure that no potential lead slips through the crack. In this video, I will guide you through the process of connecting TidyCal with Zenler. And the best part is that you don't need any coding and programming skills to build this connection. So for building this connection, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's get started and open a new tab. And we will search for pabbly.com/connect, and this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then you just have to click on this sign up for free button, and it will take only 2 minutes of your time, and you will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I need to click here on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect, and it will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here this is the workflow section, and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder here, and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now here, I need to create a new workflow. For that, I need to click here on this Create Workflow button, and this window will pop up. Here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to subscribe Zenler funnel from TidyCal booking. And now I need to click on Create. And it will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action will just follow that. So we need to set up our trigger first, and here my trigger application is going to be TidyCal. So I'm going to select TidyCal here. And now I need to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab, and new booking will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this. And I need to connect TidyCal with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on Connect. I will click on Add New Connection. And for connecting TidyCal in my workflow, I need to click on Connect with TidyCal. And here my connection is successful, as I have already logged into my TidyCal account in my browser. So it has detected that. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to TidyCal, and I'm going to make a new booking. So for creating the booking, I'm going to use this particular page, and by using this particular page of Connect, I'm going to book an appointment. So first I'm going to copy this link. I'm going to open that in a new tab, and here this is my booking page. So I'm going to first select my date. So my date will be 20th of May, and now I'm going to select my time, and my timing will be of 2 p.m. Now I need to fill all these details. So here I am going to fill the detail of my user. So here my name will be Michael Karras. I'm going to give an email. So my email will be michaelkarras@pabblytudes.com, and I'm going to give a random mobile number. So here I have filled all these details. Now I'm going to click on Book Event. So my booking is confirmed, and I have created this new booking. Now what I need to do is I need to go back to Pabbly Connect. Now here what I need to do is I need to click on Save and Send Test Tokens button to get the latest booking detail. So I'm going to click here. And here I have received this response. So in this response, I have the phone number of my customer, I have the contact ID, I have the start date and time, and I have the end date and time of my booking. Also, I have the name of my booking, that is Connect. And here I have the detail of my customer. So I have the contact name, that is Michael Karras. I have my email, that is michaelkarras@pabblytudes.com. I have my contact ID and I have my user ID. So here I have received this response, but if you don't receive this response instantly, then you don't have to worry, because this is a polling based response and within the 10 minutes you are going to receive this response from TidyCal. So this 10 minutes is the polling time of TidyCal. So what is going to happen is that within this 10 minutes, TidyCal is going to check for the new data and it is going to send the new data of the new booking to Pabbly Connect. So whenever we are going to get new bookings in TidyCal, then automatically within 10 minutes, TidyCal is going to check the data of the new bookings and it is going to send that data automatically to Pabbly Connect. So here I have received this response. Now what I need to do is I need to use all these details of my customer to subscribe them into a funnel in Zenler. So for that I'm going to set up my actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab and here my action application is going to be Zenler. So I'm going to select Zenler here and I need to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab and subscribe to funnel will be my action event. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to connect Zenler with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I will click on add new connection, and for connecting Zenler in my workflow, I need the API key and the school/account name. So first, where I'm going to find my API key, for that let me take you to Zenler. Here I will go to settings and in settings I will go to developer, and in developer I have this option of API key. So I'm going to open this and this is my API key. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this API key. I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste that here. So this is my API key. Now what I need is I need my school or account name. So where I'm going to find this, for that let me take you back to Zenler, and here in this path URL, before this .new Zenler, I have my school account name. So I'm going to copy this. I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste that here in this tab of school/account. As I have filled all the required details, I'm going to click on save and my connection here is successful. Now first I need to select my funnel, and for the funnel let me take you back to Zenler. Here I will go to my marketing funnels and here we can see I have these three funnels: contact form, connect funnel and test funnel. So I'm going to use this particular funnel of test funnel. So I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect, and for selecting my funnel I need to open this tab and I will find all the funnels that I have in my Zenler account. So I'm going to use this particular funnel of test funnel. Now here I need to fill all these details. So first I need to give the first name, last name and the email address of the customer that has filled the booking. So how I can find all these details? So all these details are present in my response of TidyCal. So what I need to do is I need to use all those details and I need to map those details here. So for that I need to use mapping, and what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping I need to click here. I will open the response of TidyCal and here we can see that I am receiving my full contact name. So here in this tab I only need to map the first name. So for getting the first name, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add one more action tab between these two steps. And here for getting the first name, I'm going to use text formatter by Pabbly. So I'm going to select text formatter. Now I have to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab and split text will be my action event. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to connect text formatter by Pabbly. So I'll click here on connect. And now I have to give the text to split. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to map the name of my customer. So I'm going to open this TidyCal new booking response. And here this is my contact name. So I'm going to map this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to split this name into first name and the last name. So for splitting this name, I have to give a separator. So I'm going to use this space as a separator between my name. So for using space as a separator, I need to use this code. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to paste that in this tab of separator. Now space is going to be my separator and I need to select my segment index. So my segment index is going to be all. And I need to click on save and send test request button. And here we can see I have splitted my name. So this is the first name and this is the last name. Now what I need to do is I need to open this tab of Zenler. And here I'm going to map the first name. So I'm going to click here. I will open the response of text formatter. And here this is my first name, that is Michael. Similarly, I'm going to map the last name, which is Karras. Now I'm going to map the email address. So I'm going to click here. I will open the response of TidyCal. And here this is my contact email. So I'm going to map this. Now I need to scroll down and I have to give my phone number. So I'm going to click here. I will open the response of TidyCal. And here this is the phone number. So I'm going to map this. And here we can see I have filled all the required details. Now what I need to do is I need to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have used the detail of my TidyCal booking to subscribe a funnel for that user. Now let's go back to Zenler. And now I'm going to open this funnel of test funnel. And in this funnel we can see I have just enrolled Michael. So I'm going to open this. And here this is my contact details. So the name is Michael Karras. I have the email, that is michaelkarras@pabblytudes.com. And here this is the phone number. So here we can see that I have used all the detail of my TidyCal booking to subscribe a funnel for that user in Zenler. So here in the activities we can see I have enrolled this user as a subscriber into this funnel, that is test funnel. So here we can see that my connection between TidyCal and Zenler is working successfully. And here whenever I'm going to receive a new booking from TidyCal, then automatically by using those TidyCal booking detail, I'm going to subscribe to a funnel in Zenler. And here I have successfully created this automation and my objective here is working successfully. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here I have built this connection between TidyCal and Zenler to subscribe Zenler funnel from TidyCal booking. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was TidyCal and my trigger event was new booking. Then I have set up my action step, and here my action application was text formatter by Pabbly, and here I have used text formatter to split the name into first name and the last name. Then in the last I have used Zenler as my action application, and my action event was subscribe to funnel. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there, and thank you for watching this video.
Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.